Hey guys, this is How to Care for Cats by Cute Kitty Productions.
Hey guys, caring for Pumpkin is a big job. Even though it may not seem like it, but he is a handful. And we're going to teach you just how to care for your cats.
First we're going to talk about toys. Cats, and especially kittens, love toys. We have a variety of stuffed animals that Pumpkin loves to play with.
He has the strings. He loves playing with strings.
And he also has stuffed animals attached to strings. And, well, Pumpkin's a big handful, like we said, and he loves toys. So if you have a kitten, make sure to get him a couple of toys, because they'll really thank you. Next, we're going to talk about sleeping. Pumpkin is what we call an indoor-outdoor cat. She spends half her time outdoors and half her time indoors. And she likes to take naps inside in this little doll bed we have. But you can use whatever you want. But this is just an old doll bed.
They also need a very comfy bed, because if they don't, they might not have a good night's sleep, and they need their sleep. And to get them to sleep, all you do is if they fall asleep naturally, which my cats do, or if you just rub them behind the ear or their head, they will fall asleep.
Just cuddle them a little bit and give them a little tender, loving care. Also, we have a couple pillows. Anything will work for your cat's bed. Just make sure it's nice and soft and comfortable.
Like pillow pets work.
Yeah. Next, we're going to talk about food and water.
We're going to take you outside for food and water facts.
Pumpkin has to eat, drink, and poop and pee outside. We have some little kitty bites that she eats. These are just made just for kittens. But if you have a cat, you need to get adult cat food. And then we have her water. In the summer, make sure it's always cool and refreshing. And in the winter, make sure it's not frozen.
And if you have a heated bowl, use that and plug it up and it's unfrozen.
And here we have Pumpkin's litter box.
And make sure you clean out the litter box daily. With the pooper scooper.
Yep. Clean it out daily, and then change out the litter about every 1 to 2 weeks. Pumpkin spends a lot of her time out on this porch. And she also plays outside. We have a couple toys right here. And she spends the rest of her time outside or indoors working on her new videos.
We do about 2 to 3 videos each day because Pumpkin loves videos. She loves the pampering. She just loves everything. She likes the attention that we pay to her. Because our other cat, we don't really play with her a lot. So she gets most of the attention. So she really likes that.
Next, we're going to show you how to hold a cat properly.
Now, if you don't hold them properly, they could start crying and meowing, so make sure you don't hold them by their neck, don't hold them by their ear, don't hold them by their tail, don't pull their tail.
And don't hold them by their paws. Basically, just grip their body with 2 hands.
Just put your left or right hand on the bottom and your other hand on top, or cradle them like a baby.
Yeah, but grown-up cats don't really like that.
Yeah, and if they're really small, like a newborn kitty, make sure you hold them close, so they feel secure, like they're not going to fall.
Yeah, always hold them against you so they don't fall or, start crying. Next, we're going to show you kitty treats. We talked to you about food, but everyone likes to feed their cats or their dogs or any pet treats. In this little cabinet below, we keep Pounce kitty treats, a seafood medley flavor. Pumpkin loves these. We give her one after each show for doing such a great job, and it's a great reward thing. But just make sure you don't overdose.
Yeah, they are very healthy, but if you give them too much, they could make them sick.
Next, we're going to tell you about shots. All cats and dogs need to have their shots once a year. And, you need to have them checked for rabies and give them a shot for rabies just to make sure they're healthy. Also, our vet checks Pumpkin behind the ears, make sure she's okay, and checks her eyes, her nose, and her teeth to make sure they're always healthy.
Yep.
And, well, guys, that's just some simple tips on how to take care of your pet. We'll see ya.
Thanks for watching.
And watch Pumpkin shows. See ya. Say bye, Pumpkin.
Bye-bye.